We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for day trading. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, log in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. After logging in, you'll see the main ChatGPT interface where you can start a new chat. Now, before you start asking ChatGPT for trading advice, it's important to understand that ChatGPT can help you analyze data but should not be solely relied upon for making trading decisions. Use it as a tool to complement your own research. In the chat interface, you can start by typing specific questions related to stock trends, historical data analysis, or even general trading strategies. For example, you can ask, "What were the major trends in tech stocks over the past year?" Or explain a common day trading strategy. ChatGPT will provide you with information based on its training data up to October 2023. One useful feature is the ability to ask follow-up questions to clarify or expand on the initial response. If you're looking to analyze specific data, you can input datasets directly into the chat. But remember, ChatGPT isn't a substitute for professional financial advice or tools. It can help you interpret data or explore different scenarios, but you should always verify information and consult with financial experts. Also, keep in mind that ChatGPT doesn't have real-time data, so for up-to-the-minute market updates, you should rely on dedicated financial news platforms or trading software. By integrating ChatGPT into your workflow, you're adding a versatile assistant to help you understand complex concepts and refine your strategies. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.